Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up booking on your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now for this, we're going to be using Acuity scheduling. The reason is because it's very well implemented into Squarespace itself, and because I'm pretty sure it is a Squarespace product. You can very easily just implement it to your site by using a scheduling block. So let's get right into it. Now, I'm not sure what this works for. I know it works for certain types of meetings and things like that. So you can use it to schedule that and to book appointments such as that. However, if you're looking to book, I don't know, an Airbnb or something, or add a similar sort of functionality to your site, I'm not sure exactly how well it's going to work, but we're going to use it and it should work pretty fine. Now, to actually add it, we're going to click edit here on this empty page. We're going to click add block on one of our sections, scroll down, and go into scheduling. This is going to require you to connect to Acuity. Just double click on this and it should take you to the Acuity page. Now, as you can see, you just need to click set up or add an existing schedule. I already have a tutorial schedule set up, so I'll just click this. Then as you can see, you need to edit or add the link. So just go into set up Acuity scheduling. Is going to open up Acuity in a new window. So let's just wait for that to pop up. And while that loads, as you can see, it says setting up, and now we're over here, and the link that you need is this scheduling page link. Just copy that, go over back to your site, paste the link over here, and that should connect your scheduling just like that. And now if I save and go back to the overview, if I were a client, I could just click here to add a time or just create a appointment. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.